Hi, I'm Paul Barron, founder and CEO of The Wall Printer here in Wilmington on Oleander Drive. We provide digital printing machines for vertical printing on walls or horizontal printing on floors, any type of surface, indoors or outdoors, so that we can provide these machines to people who want to be in business using these machines, delivering wall art into their communities. The Wall Printer was founded in late 2019. We began and got our first customers in 2020, and we now are into our fourth year with 120 customers across North and South America. The Wall Printer has 12 employees, 8 full-time here in Wilmington, 2 in South America, and 2 in other places around the world serving us. So at this point, the Wall Printer has achieved its first milestone of over 100 customers in our first 3 years. Our next milestone is 250 customers and then 1,000 after that. And what I mean by customers, that means these are startups or existing businesses that are using our machines for their own wall printing or floor printing success. 5 to 10 years. Paul was not born at a very young age, so I'm in my 70s now. This is probably my last hurrah. So we have an exit strategy for the business when we achieve 500 to 1,000 wall printing customers, and at that point we'll be looking for an exit.
Good morning, everyone. I am the director of the Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship at UNCW. My name is Heather McWhorter, and I am honored to introduce Paul Barron and the Wall Printer. The business model of the Wall Printer is simple. It sells patented vertical wall printers to entrepreneurs that want to sell vertical wall printers. That means that every time the Wall Printer sells a vertical wall printer in North and South America, a new business is born. You heard 100 customers. 100 wall printer customers equals 100 entrepreneurial dreams come true. That's math I can get behind as the director of the CIE. This doesn't surprise me. Since I met Paul, he has always supported entrepreneurs. He volunteers as a CIE mentor. He's been with us since the beginning. He's on the UNCW Entrepreneurship Board. He speaks at any entrepreneurship class that we ask him to. Don't let the word get out. Sorry, Paul. He really does, he's always available to support other entrepreneurs. And so, Paul, thank you for being an outstanding entrepreneur, but also for being a leader and giving back to your entrepreneurial community. Please join me in congratulating the 2023 Coastal Entrepreneur of the Year in the Manufacturing and Distribution category, the Wall Printer.
It only took me 71 years to become recognized as an overnight success. Thank you, Heather. Kind words. Thank you, Rob, UNCW, the CIE for this great event, which I've been attending for the past 12 years or so that we've been here in Wilmington. The journey of an entrepreneur usually starts as a sole endeavor. It's an idea, something you get passionate about, something you hope will realize itself as a solution to a real-world problem and help others. And so, while it may start that way, no successful business, which is the hope of any entrepreneur, that it becomes a real business, can be achieved without a team. And I've been blessed with that. My wife of 30 years, and possibly 30 businesses that I've had throughout that time. I usually call to Maureen and say, hey, honey, come take a look at this. What do you think? Can I make a business out of it? And invariably, rather than coming into my home office and seeing what the hell I'm talking about, she cuts up my credit cards and changes the passwords on our bank account. She goes, here we go again. This time she took a look at this technology that I discovered in Asia, and I said, I could really make a business out of this and make a business for others. And so we're doing that. And so I appreciate her, I appreciate my whole team, that we would not be here without them, and just thank you very much for this recognition.